Pancreatic cancer, types, symptoms and risk factors. Pancreatic cancer is a condition caused due to abnormal growth and division of mutated pancreatic cells. The pancreatic cells start functioning abnormally. The mutated cells can build up and forms a mass known as a tumor. A tumor that has cancerous cells becomes malignant. It is challenging to detect pancreatic cancer in the early stages. By the time the symptoms appear, cancer must have reached its advanced stages. This article briefly highlights pancreatic cancer symptoms, types, risk factors, and lifestyle modification required. Types of pancreatic cancer. The types mainly depend on their origin of cancer, whether they began in the endocrine part or the exocrine part of the pancreas. Rarely other pancreatic cancer types originate in the pancreas, like sarcoma or lymphoma. The exocrine tumor is the most common type of pancreatic cancer. Adenocarcinoma is the most common type of exocrine tumor of the pancreas. An endocrine tumor is found in about 7 to 8% of people having pancreatic cancer. It is also known as a pancreatic neuroendocrine tumor. Pancreatic cancer symptoms. The symptoms are evident in the advanced stage. The symptoms are pain in the upper quadrant of the abdomen that radiates towards the back, loss of appetite, unexplained loss of weight, blood clots, fatigue, jaundice or erysipelas if there is blockage of the bile duct. Due to pressure on the abdomen, there is persistent nausea and vomiting. Rarely diabetes, depression and anxiety. The cause of pancreatic cancer is unknown, but doctors assume that consuming tobacco increases the risk of developing this condition. The following factors increase the risk of developing pancreatic cancer: smoking tobacco, consumption of tobacco in any form, excessive consumption of alcohol. Obese people are at higher risk. Older adults are at higher risk. Family history of pancreatic cancer. Family history of genetic disorder that increases the risk of developing this cancer. People who do not exercise regularly. People who eat food rich in fat. People who have diabetes. American African is at higher risk. People with chronic inflammation. People who work with pesticide and chemicals. People with a medical history of liver disorder. Complications of pancreatic cancer. Obstruction of bowels. Loss of weight, malnourishment, metastasis of cancer, pain in the abdomen, jaundice due to obstruction of the bile duct, diabetes. Lifestyle changes for prevention: avoid smoking cigarettes, avoid tobacco products, avoid excessive consumption of alcohol, eat healthy food, avoid fatty and oily food, exercise regularly. Pancreatic cancer, types, symptoms and risk factors.